nation, every player, every dream, every fire. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany.
All right, Medo, Wizona Miva, Beniva TV, Gamade, Bemi, Ako, Egbepe, Lamasa, Fanyago, Ako, Adara, Yabuike, me, Adrume, Aleko, for the Le Canada Commercia, Miajro, Katama, Ako, Adara, Canada, Egbenia, Pegino, Adia Bankake, we a fear, Bla, Adieme, and Yemanovico, as it here, I know, Sejika, Ako. Wana ako adare miabo nyoma awe nyere ka nyoma awo ka bu nyoba amapepe to he no le bonyi ike akpade munye miawo egbeto ke nyomo mi alanku na nyebe mi ho nyata ka kawo do we nye aleke Ghana Black Stars call group man alo hopefully amoyo le hatutume na afiama ko World Cup ko now mi aleko onyabe kudagbe the senior national team ano gbejia mi akwa bede nukawe nye enwike mi atengawo afi akpo jidudu le obeduma ma le group amade de mi Ghana Blasters alo mi atem adogo to group on gogo kama group gbo ado mi ego ke yonoviade na mi awo de aklemi mi akọ Eveniba Sports ako adade miago ka mia abieko mia producers be wako video ala ako demenemi alo World Cup pe high kono wa ako demenemi producer anya bele nyanko sema ka ko demenemi.
It's the World Cup time. June 11, we rise. Every nation, every player, every dream, every fire. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany. Yamal, Messi, Pedri, Mbappe, Ronaldo, Vinicius, Bellingham, Haaland, Musiala, Kane, Saka, Valverde, Hakimi. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany, Morocco, Uruguay, Italy, Netherlands. It's the World Cup time. June 11, we rise. Every nation, every player, every dream, every fire. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany. It's the World Cup time. June 11, we rise. Every nation, every player, every dream, every fire. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany. Yamal, Messi, Pedri, Mbappe, Ronaldo, Vinicius, Bellingham, Haaland, Musiala, Kane, Saka, Valverde, Hakimi. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany, Morocco, Uruguay, Italy, Netherlands. It's the World Cup time. June 11, we rise. Every nation, every player, every dream, every fire. Brazil, Portugal, Spain, Argentina, France, England, Germany.
All right, mi entro goto do machuchia kabe mi abugamwa mi atureji pata mi ajagmato mi abasina national team the Black Stars of Ghana wanya America wo jole ope base camp le Virginia wanya America no jole Mike no dota Rhode Island wanya America no dota tekuma le echo ikene vai over dota ma dede afokware kemejo le apamagojo kale enyamoma enyabe henala America color scorers eno enyade den gbogbom ela gbogbom fi be Black Stars a yenya America ne believe le ye VOG ale gbegbe ayata yo mo ina de hobilmeku alo yo mo ina de tournament ko iga abo alo agbemko Black Stars have hobilmeku ebo alo tournament ko ebo kabo yo nya America na ina de gama aba won tebe ayata yenya America ne believe alo ya for the VOG se ale gbegbe kale enyamoma miapo abobla America ne Jordan ayu yenya American de nya de bro ele gbe bro fia be ye dito de viogo aro ye dito Ghana do government ka one now your full support one American one support your plus su be never you get a whole mele 17th of this month I get your akpe hopla Panama be dukwa yonya America akpo jirudu le akpamagoji ta o dicho me go alo Jordan ayu edicho the Ghanaians go benka wa anu be na yo alwa da be na yo be yo akpo jirudu agbo va Ghana dukome kale enyama ma miaba president American amagakwe le tadana Ghana Football Association Edward Simon Okreko yanya American le gboro via be Ghana manya American ina de World Cup this year World Cup will add bubble as bubble alo wa Hong Kong your va will remember ever ka bo over with the oge ke your ko e pro add bova Ghana to come aye American gboro Edward what kakuli alo mo de kakulo ala be amadeda enya American obaji akula nyapa senior national team the Blasters of Ghana obaji kulemu ale gbegbe ike nebe enya mare ike ebi agboro Black Star nyala na mo nyapa le tuma hoke ala be jiku nya mi kele le tuma na wale gbegbe aka Edward Simon Okreko enya American le gboro fia be yenya American kale miavi oji ale gbegbe watum aba won tebe ike menya won tebe ko kabo wako pro agbova Ghana to come enye mi kene blom nyaba agbogla alo American GFA president enye mi kene blom ule ale gbegbe ka ni antola jama na make mi out to the ka le brothers for arrive anya mama ka na ko ticket for enyado le egbedom ale gbegbe ticket for enyado onye American le egbedom ka le ticket for enyama the ambassador to UK, Ghanaian ambassador to Canada. Any American level from any American Agbanadola sports minister, hello, Ghana Sports Ministry, but what tickets $5,000 a year, alabe ame 5,000 one year American ticket requesting by your home. That up now I can no kuma you may pump ticket at the crowd. You may pump ticket at the crowd. Like our common when you manya abeke and mubako eji info. They after me at the book, Panama to Korea, the tickets for now are not ready. You can me up I'm a position at the Senate to the Blasters of Ghana about Hulma. You may tell me how to go. And the my ticket where and now le edgy me Emma, you may now abeke me one amount le akamago. Come here, I'm not to Lesia. Now cover le tickets where and the woman. Ticket where and your mama, Ghana sports minister, only American you're prepared. Tickets 700. Then you can you're prepared. But what I get a Panama who blow it. That America, what ticket to Ghana to come 1 year 700. I'm a 700. Then America, I bought tickets. I get a Abako who will play Le Akamagoji. When you let 700 money day, whatever to take, what break, Ghana to put our support. I don't say what the Abodemia, you put in the Kenya 700 and 700. Wherever want to go, Taekama, Ella want to walk. Tala everyone, Ella go World Cup opening game, Mexico, Mama, Ella go ticket 612. One year America, England, Ghana, England for Oblema, 612. Yen America, America, for ticket, I get a Oblema, and you may not like Wafa Anole at Pamaguchu. Never has me out to the year. Then I cover Thomas Party, then and Yale to not fear Coco. If they will Canada-based military company American denied to master the visa. Tell Nyaba sports minister, when American BFB, le Joy Sports so BFB, Bebemia, you may come that the Salon Yakaka your book, who there and Yamamu, that the Yamology, Onya Alapa, Yamology, that Yakaka your book, who there and Yamamu.
kan ne maye wole perform de le akpamagoji enyoma kan ne be awamale ike ese romo mabeko Thomas Partey odina visa ike matem akpomu agele Canada to come ike aba bliho ne Black Star never sports minister Kofi Adams ele go profebe melemo menye enikelemo ala be yomo ko nyaka to amadeke gbo kude enyamamu ta alapanya unye le akamagoji ka le what cover to ikeba ya ne ko be eje ko me gidi ta open ceremony ene ni Kenya ko ale gbegbe ka South Africa wonya America ne go play host nation Mexico ka na ko be South Africa wonya America ne ba do Africa what are a crowd embarrassment allo Alemagboda embarrassment dey never to mio Africa to go Alemagboda. Kale le nyamama na ko be Africa ama akpagan to le Africa ni bo me le alafajia akobe magbe 90% wanya amoyo no le against South Africa kwenye wanya 90% of Africans are against South Africa kwenye elen kono akobe hunya ikela le etadola le South Africa iko ho ogbogborobe yo motiba edebu viadeke alo diko viadeke na bachaka yo wa yenye America never Africa to go alo Africa to wanya amoyo no le against South Africa alegbegbe ike le mama akobe agbale alo antiri ame eve onye ni ike South Africa oba kpole akomagoji ike nenye agba va no etajino ike oko ageve ike modenke de kele mu nene make Mexico to babe oduji ha akobe wo ha oko agbale jendeka le akomagoji ka le no nyamama akobe South Africa to ba goalkeeper nenye amane kele nyane den goblonfia be yamasa egomo like Africa to go either aboboge Africa to go so wa tore enu aro wa demebele to go yamasa egomo ala menye ne mai wono anyi chanfa yenyemo abne Africa gele gbejibe apo Africa to go gele gbejibe apo aboa akobe Africa to go so wa aboro me wa support wa na full support ike ano adu musa amasuso ike wadum abliho jirudo ha ava kaka le ekwe pe World Cup akpajia South Africa monya America ne bakpo musadoma le akpamagojo ke enye no blani nya ane ale gbegbe ko afikra enye mi ke bi afa kaka welu tu enyo afikra so le yesla ko me ye maka drug la bulu ne ma afa ka ho bla ye ko je ko mane ya e ko o ba fe le ngone yo ne be yo do yo ko akuma do mi ya e ka ma jirudu asu yo sike ya to group ma gbogwe alo ya kongo yi le World Cup 2026 World Cup enyama ome miapa nyasala oka miano tutumrejia kana kobele etoba o manya holre ka ko nya ni kana ayi eju ka holre ame efe enya ni kana ayi ejile akama kana no mage South Korea o hanya America na vale Czech Republic kana fui age efe ike Czech Republic kana ko Czech Republic wanya America na do age banto afi South Korea so he make play no bio wanya me ko yo mono no ta wa tu le o mu ike o ba age mai ko do me o no yo li ado yo do ko ba ko ike gele ko me ike de age do ko ko no ike ba ko jiru le akamagoji ta le group man na ko be Mexico wanya America le ngogbe fie bobo play jersey o me eton na make South Korea o ha play jersey o me eton ke Czech Republic wanya America le dufa etonia jersey adeko na make South Africa o ha le emlenu alo le dufa suseria jersey adeko mo lo sio ko aleke o brava alo group ma abana aleko ngba ko sa mi akọ adara mi yango this Mexico play South Korea wa ato group mama akongo be ya time hotel already be iye lo kwa mi akọ adare mi yango Kami atuleja akobe history onye na no ikene forete le eto nkekeme history ye na no ikene forete le eto nkekeme alegbegbe kana akobe le South Africa pe red card yo over kwa ike akobe onye amoyokene da for red card le World Cup nya ome le opening match ntididi ame efe ike mejopo obe Cameroon wọ́n kò ní amáyọ̀kọ́ náà wọ̀ ẹnumá lẹ ẹ̀fọ́ akpẹ́ ẹ̀fọ́ akpẹ́ àsèké ọba yà wọ́n kò ẹnumá ẹ̀yíjì ìkẹ́ lẹ ẹ̀fọ́ akpẹ́ àsèké ọba yà ẹnumá mẹ́ga jọpọ̀ kẹ́ South Africa wọ́n ní amáyọ̀kọ́ náà ga make history má lẹ àkpàmọ́gbọ́jì kò ń tìdí ní ìgbà ọmọ ẹ̀fẹ́ wọ́n yẹ ẹnu ìkẹ́ ní ẹ̀fà jẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀lẹ̀ ẹnumá kẹ́ lẹ ọmọ mẹ́kẹ́ náà le World Cup pe enyamoma akobe antri alo red card o me eton menye mi kene je pokrawo le aike wo introduce World Cup ike opening match me produce three red card po kake le eton keke ma akobe three red card wo nye mi ke nie ba ko le probleme mi menya nkai abajo ka ne be opening match le ale ke susori ale ke wano. Well, the main aspect more red cards in this year FIFA World Cup or Asafia alo magic crowd well time with the labor a year baba me are say me aba ya sala ka me are to the I take it for na akobe what can for now sorry egbe kama what can for now are to the me no be Canada ko ano godumple Bosnia and Herzegovina ono godumple Bosnia and Herzegovina le apamagoji kale eto ikene bona USA adogople Paraguay yeah no make Qatar Switzerland ke Brazil Morocco kale USA Paraguay pa o be ma ano performance gareka ma avaji Qatar, Switzerland, 7 o'clock. Yeah, over my Alvaji. And the market Brazil, Morocco. No matter over my Alva Enyama. Never Yasalaka, ma get your Amaka boy, me at get one Naome, you can add room, Akola Leke, Wafa Anole, Akomabujihan. Nakola Leke, Wavanola, Akomabujihan. Get extra, Akobe. Opening ceremony onye ndikene bayijikene jojo alekwe tamia agere bia produce abo ike wako opening ceremony nanyebe wasite ka wakwe akoda le niego oh okay nyebe na sawole madima opening ceremony ma ava niego opening ceremony ava niego ya le madima ava niego ta ma introduce nyo mkopa ke aleka wono wava ayanya fa ko ya ni for say welcome
thank you
ala abiye
yo follow le doji ha le doji
okay le eto opening ceremony
mano busy do vale no jinyatanya matapo opening ceremony gake beba kwele ontanya ya vala je nyata fa enya kwale gbegbe kene po ale Ghana to appearance yo ko o nyata fa enya po
me actually le Black Stars mi fa emphasis alo mi fa nyamadojiwa the Black Stars of Ghana. Akobe 17th of this month, Kenya, Kudai Kenya Bona, year one no to me, Panama to score. The academia problem easier. Alo anamo wenende mia aso Panama chia. Akongo ya.
Oh, yo, matomon popo mad akbana eye. Madugbana mi akono kwalo amesia me ke ko mo kono ko dare Evanyiba TV e yo le Evanyiba Sports po egba na gbe mi ko onu Ghana ko egboni ke le enya ke ebiama enya ke na ebiama Panama kle Ghana nya po le previous matches yo no fo pele to na ko le 10 matches yo no fo bai ma makpo be goals alo again no do Ghana do 23 goals ye Panama do 19 le kan we po goals considered me po Ghana 6 ye Panama 5 if you be Ghana mile ya magbe mile etejiwu wema na mi ga kwa assist hala 13 ye nyomi 18 ke goals per a game la 2.3 ye Panama 1.9 ke defending la nyomi po 6 clean sheets one po 6 clean sheets ke nemi po kamama magbe actually goals are mila ahead of them. Yeah, nemi po yellow cards yo no hohala Panama po 1.4 Ghana 1.2 magbe mi afa agbabajeja ele yamewu wo toema magbe mi de kapu wa wole eteji ke nemi po Ghana ple Panama game one ele mebe group yama mila group assessing group of assessing me fede group wolo because England, Croatia, Ghana, Panama, all those countries la meeting pocho. So Ghana magbe le World Cup yemi la Ghana has the tough group.
Okay, the toughest one.
Yeah, the toughest group magbe Ghana it gake le nyanu poponwa ejebe Ghana nya take that ball easy. Me take that game like easy, right? Oh,
Le open phone, the master, many big asses name. Hello, I definitely
mad.
Abiaba over Oja Ababa, le friendly match moment. Oja Ababa, le friendly match moment. They know Bube. Asase na mi afi menye be jibu alpha allo no kawe bube mi awo afi atem stop wala be wonya ameke o press na Panama o press na o believe lo mo etuji ala be etulo mo ale do tanu be what no allo like mo don do wa adu konache no kai ke bube mi atem awo afi jibu.
Okay, na magbabe coach ne lenkule information kana okoye game ame abi mala ko kofi be ele 4-2-3 4-2-3-1 ye fole 4-3-2-1 ye fole ye Panama la makobe le 3-4-2-1 efebe Panama load efe domie eta je bina Ghana 2 I don't know that 2 pivot you know called that domia ejebe no akogbe boys yo na leta fama ole strong that's owusu play party owusu play party wo wele Elisha owusu play party wo wele Melfred gama wo nye pivot ye kele domie la
Predicted lineup.
Eta le ne me ko atizigi yenye America o ko dare ag me benele abunemi ye ne me lenkro afi mi akpo game ye bobo akpobe last week kami no ejedoma magbobe ejebe coach na do mistake you know owo do friendly match because Panama is not many team potokotwe ike mi akpeko adu ale adu kone papa mi agbobe o heya no epo mi akpo friendly match mi fu hala mi bube like first go over mi bube mi dudi everybody mi akata mi susu nyebe o me ke mi adu agegba nto kwa mi o me mi atu hamaji adujiga ke le nu de over ne history atem awonu ya play software o kele prophecy nama okay atem no ofiebe a join ne kwa okay Ghana we are good to go and we can win Panama.
Okay. Le predicted lineup la particular la shawusu wonya amikono ndune.
Yeah.
Le usuple kwasisi bodu me amaka bube ape party.
Oh, Kwesi
Sibo.
Sibo, Elisha Owusu. Okay, Matagbo, the main reason why coach fix
Akọ because predicted lineup.
yeah, predicted. Okay, predicted. My brother, Adele, I played a friendly match you can offer. A friendly match you can
Yeah, the
offer.
friendly match ma akobe particular election also
Yeah, that maybe Apple connection, Apple Agbabaje and the Capro o wala domie. Eye ale the Capro tell me o Jagbala domie, yet taco, maybe my pobe a pair one me viela. Gake Lenyan Poponwa, all the training one. So they know how to go about it and aliwa we wanyona Ghana talk or makariti be ma gake Ghana talk them phone. Ghana talk them phone. Yeta no fear that's how it's going to help us. No fear ala academy munene Elisha usukle Thomas Tepate watem anodumi ale dumi la sinami jidudu ava kwa. No problem, we don't have problem. Gake na okobe go blele eji ye fiti alo no maybe anyo kwa eje bi no adon the eye na nyonami
le goalkeeping side le artist giple Benjamin Asare America America le parama game let's take the game le game goalkeeper kai bubiana no le Asare ple artist la mane America bubiana no America ple the national team
le nyata pama LMB Lawrence Atizigi ewo de na Black Stars. That's the fact. Ewo de na Black Star and epa baba jijaja kakana melam ku de Benjamin Asare nwa. Asare is someone ejagba and look at the training the guy is doing. Nekpo training go nekpo service you know minom game bubu fun nekpo service you know nekpo the kakwe wagbaja and me prefer be anya first goalkeeper and lenye npopo na mo be anya first goal gakale predicted lineup here vama Lawrence Atizigi kpoma no fe be na nie wa no ma okay maybe coach ekpele friendly match no for society ye na le World Cup gakenye me prefer Benjamin Asare be anya Asare be anya me first goalkeeper.
Okay, bienvenue à Salah, Benigba TV, et que Benigba Sports, il y a un canal de Bodo. À te voir, on va donc le Facebook, Benigba TV, le TikTok, and then YouTube, Benigba TV. À te voir, on va faire ça, c'est donc là, dans l'ami, à te voir, on va faire ça, le Facebook, le WhatsApp, à te voir, le WhatsApp, à te voir.
Okay, Atanwaba to 0551295427 0551295427. Nekwedula kwa mia ahli now.
Tanu mai wole enyuma. Kami a tudeji, mi a kano Black Stars enyuma. Ela be kudagbe yefo bele ejibage 7 o'clock yeho ma abaji. Mi anela kulema akbobe le enunale anya o de fiabe mi aba Jesse kemi ko ina the tournament asiba deji be Jesse e kene nyako alegbe
Kan dagbenya ode. That's good. Jesse nyako ma signal baba be kana nyako kwa. Me got trophy gba. Oh yeah, let's enyegle like we are doing.
Never Jesse already never producer ask them point that yavala dinike na follow ha wa Jesse ke tutu problem ke uba koshi abotana be enyo Jesse ke nyako le Jesse alo le duko wa me bla enfo enyo ke ne bona tournament Ghana o Jesse yenye enike o da stage be enyako ale gege. Ya nenya be ele kulonwa akobe yellow players o le yellow le white ne
Oh nyatefanya mi nyakpo ale gbegbe
Yeah.
nyakpo ale gbegbe ne kpo white ha nyakpo yellow ha nyakpo nyateƒe Jesu kata ke mi ko yi World Cup fia me ka de jibe enyakpo o amasia me ne ho akpo ko akpo be enyakpo Jesu enye nu ke edemi eji eye ale Jesu nyakpo kwa ana unku ha ano mi eji eye mi akpo full support akpo
Okay, they no believe. They no believe Jesse ke o to asi jibe Jesse banto ke nenyapo le abofu alo duko amebla enefo enyu ke ne bona tournament Ghana o Jesse enyu mi ke nenyapo ke amegele gbogbo bia ba ke o to asi mi o Jesse jibe Jesse anyapo ne make trophy ha mi anya number 1 ke akọ trophy ava afame ale keke ekpo ya ko gbadasi ko do mi ego de o le gbogbo na mi de o le gbogbo na mi be Jesse onye mi ke anami lak ke mi akọ va afame mi a tuleji agede group le ale ke o ko le group mana ko be South Africa England, Croatia and then Ghana, Panama le group member the be Ghana tema do
Yema motungo gbe ma no bobo na Black Stars gake le mi fa gbagba jejema ye afie ye le nyen popo na jebe Black Stars ejebe no akpogbo be o first match o Panama eje na ja gba be ye win that match
we need me draw
because always la Black Stars na me tournament always after I can trust mathematicians. Yeah, me have trust mathematicians by force. Then we be calculating this person should lose. I may no lose. Now may lose. I can be for this point. Now may lose. Okay, then this. No. This fight me about clean sheet. Ne jidudu na nyamia to. Ala bena group ma. Nyata veja. Etam imama dungo group ma tough teams so allo national teams so countries tough countries so what will a group England, Croatia, Ghana and then Panama. I don't know whether we are going to retaliate. I mean, if I say retaliate, England
England game mamala next week la nemi famia agidem nenya Ghana play Panama ofu for ike ale ike no ba ko ya nemi fa next week Friday mi aba agede wona mama akpo e ka kola be ana go boy Ghana be wa a do England jia ana go boy alo no kai ke anye go no mo meto mi ka akpo de Ghana kom alo Ghana sina national team the Black Stars Ghana be mi akpo ngo yi le akoma ka mi a tuleji agede e chop pe problem e ke ne ba yi ale ke opening ceremony pele bantu aba ko ejia ni ako dara be ko ke aju eme do jibe e da ko to e ni ba ti ko ya bala ti ka wona ni ba sport ke enye nyano video bi pele nye mo ko ni le SCG le eme ba ni bi ka ta atema ko ko da si anu nya ko Facebook o YouTube o TikTok o ko da si atema no nya ko ba ni ma ke WhatsApp 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 number here
0551 295427 0551 295427 na kwedola ko nya halina.
Okay. Ta mi ayi aba ko opening ceremony ale ke opening ceremony ko yija mi akko ika aba gade first game yike na yiji le South Africa le Mexico dunia mi aba alen ko de ke akwa be le ke mi awe ta producer na nyabe opening ceremony le ready ya na akwa da ya bala ji.
USA police on the run. Mexico, Jimenez, here we come. Canada, Davies wear the crown. Argentina, Messi don't back down. Brazil, Vinicius feel the heat. Colombia,
Remember they rise and shine. The Americas, we draw the line. Every scar, every fall, every tear on this road was building the fire, was carrying the load. Now the world holds its breath. We're ready to go. One fire burning in every soul. One game, one ball, one goal. From Mexico to Montreal, we bleed the same. We love the same. Beautiful game. One fire, higher, higher. Every nation, every street. Feel your heart, feel the beat. One world, let's go. Hey, hey, oh, oh. One fire, let's go. Hey, hey, oh, oh. One world, let's France. Mbappe, light the way. Spain, Pedri, born to play. Portugal, Ronaldo, never done. England, Bellingham, we've just begun. Germany, works electric flow. Netherlands, Van Dijk, steal the show. Belgium, Lukaku, hear him roar. Austria, Sabitzer, give us more. Switzerland, Chaka, Iron Will. Turkey, Guler, magic still. One fire burning in every soul. One game, one ball, one goal. From Mexico to Montreal, we bleed the same. We love the same. Beautiful game. One fire, higher, higher. Every nation, every street. Feel your heart, feel the beat. One world, let's go. Croatia, Modric, 40 strong. Serbia, Vlahovic, all along. Denmark, Eriksson, rise again. Scotland, McTominay, feel the rain. Bosnia, Dzeko, old gold heart. Czechia, Suchek, play your part. Europe speaks with 40 tongues, but one fire fills all of our lungs. Japan, Minamino, Eastern fire. South Korea, sun climbing higher. Iran, Taremi, never fold. Uzbekistan, Jordan, Al Naimat, make your mark. Australia, Lecky, light the dark. Qatar, Ali, 60 goals. Saudi Arabia, Al Dawsari, lifts our souls. Morocco, Brahim Diaz, pure class. Algeria, Mahrez, built to last. Egypt, Salah, king of kings, gonna party here in rings. Senegal, Mane, heart of gold. Tunisia, Hannibal, brave and bold. Cape Verde, Rodriguez, Island pride. Our Congo, Bemba, stand beside. Mali, Bissouma, lead the way. Africa is here to stay. Panama, Carrasquilla, Honduras, Rising Star, Nazo, Curaçao, Martina, New Zealand, across the sea, Iraq, Hussein, proud and free. 48 nations, 48 fires, one ball, one pitch, one dream that never tires. One fire burning in every soul. One game, one ball, one goal. From Mexico to Montreal, we bleed the same. We love the same. Beautiful game, one fire, higher, higher. Every nation, every street.
Ok, bienvenue à ça. Ok, bienvenue au contrôle de l'étudiant. Maintenant, on va venir à contrôle de mien bon et que mien gâteau. Mia eji akọ replay ọmọdunu akọ adara lẹsọ ike ajuru ẹmi alẹ ike nu ba kọkọ rẹ alẹ ike jọ afi yẹn fi South Africa tó wọn tẹ n bọ jìbì fún ẹrọ fún ọmọ eye agbanẹsẹ yẹn mi ike nu ba fún ike náà kí ẹrọ fún fi àrùn lẹjọ fún ọ alẹ ike kò akọbẹ ọbanabẹ Africa dùkọ sọsẹ wa ọbalẹ ka ale ma gbọdọ hẹ like ejima rẹ lọrọ kò alabi one of the amẹkẹlẹ jẹ ẹgbọmọ mọtẹ kpọ jidudu ta fífi agbabalẹ Morocco enya amẹkẹ anya Africa dùkọ ike a tabligo lẹ hurufilẹmi tanẹyẹ bẹ Morocco vari aleke nubono no bene ya tamia la ko no mi akola be lukaye South Africa wa Africa no lukaye Mexico ike unione le akma ike o tempo jidu ha da me producer akọ game akọ adare ni ko highlight ni akọ ike a kunutu chale leke le ko nka bu be ye ike ne by South Africa no ko give big group go ni ike ne agba
Oh, maglobe ne ekule game ye no fu atoi via in South Africa kle nui Mexico game ne elam kude game akobe Mexico for South Africa alagbegbe omo enu because no ball possession 61 against 39. 61 against 39. Shikeva webe for South Africa alagbegbe. I don't know. Nelang the game South Africa toa ule sese form alagbegbe and that and mala go against opa because most of the fouls say no ho go or red card hala akpo se son ko fun later ejebo next match enu ma gbro ko nyebe no lanku de office se nkla alo ko le se fun ye tape ko le se ha fun la eje no lanku dem eje me ga lanku de changes ya le kana South Africa coach wo awo change ga ka mo after the changes la mako pressure ba no South Africa jin over no for Malawi. That was the second half. For the second half, over no South Africa for. Ever do tapa game over be the beer of 50-50 gaka out. Eye ne lang kuda South Africa defense yung back gamana totobiale le back eje be walang kuda tapa mang play alo call the players your attack mean. Eye kala no for my gafo no to ali the rest African countries so mo call full support score na South Africa. Amasia menya enwi keleji. Xenophobia attacks South Africa so ko ole fudanam other African countries or citizens living in their country la. Amasia mekpo enwi tumole klo. Eta me like this cry nye me like against you. Nyama bronya blow because I come medical not doing now that one and what
ready highlights ready ya highlight ni hapo ni kama hii agie play red card ni hapo alaiko talo kwenye mnyobe support
nyama support red card kwa masogo di oh no akpan gake mapo the second red card come like game of maybe oh this is not a red card yeah mabukra be any penalty but lenye fe come maybe penalty or after ma oh free kick me join le ATM because na player efudu akobe
never producer na ko na ma nya fe be video le we da no fe da modenia ako
yeah, my free kick, second red card. Player Abudu Vajue. Yeah, South Africa, Mexico player la Abudu.
The biggest ever seen on the opening game. Powell here. Gutierrez gets to it first. Madiba is idolised. Reyes. Oh, an early chance.
Game one. After Mexico to our one year, dominate game. South Africa, because South Africa,
yeah, my bro, because upon my dongo when I'm a defense, Mexico for defense, attackers were actually the Dulong, you know, do come out call a ball of pulley man, of a finishing hand la. Elle very good. Eta jebena walang kudem full support nyale o ma ko gake ato. Amodobe you have to support your own. No, so support your own but they are sacking their own. So how will they support their own?
Oh yeah, I know. Another I get back to any mistake you can different midfielder or any mistake you know you can result that akobe already now, and more LOG, the 9th minute you get at the mistake and result to the board. The rest of the game, la pressure, ever knows the South Africa at the group Mexico, I've got 3 points. South Korea, I've got 3 points. There will be South Africa at the
now, right now, my Banto. After the game, la South Africa goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Ever the nyale globe.
Williams.
Yeah. Yemenya miejo afi African country ball for other African countries so African countries are umeko full support kan. Yo wala globe na nuka ejibe na akofo. First of all, akpo support akpo no support le cause le kokobehwa. Right now la okpo no the West African countries la omana your support. So as they are there la ole gamale won to do kwesi. Right now ototo. So me I think this is going to affect them and eje wa ba megbe eje wa get crowd get no
Eyi yamale bi mu. Miala ku de break never bajile performance South Korea, Czech Republic.
no.
Like the performer, the Dumlumbe, South Korea, I near make a ball to do a game mama.
Akpo those names she won't play totoma. Nyanku show him play toto. Nyanku no jibe. Well, sometimes I don't know if they perform magic or something like because oteko 4 minutes could do
Yeah.
5 goals.
Le ageko donawa akobe ageva le 67 minutes something minutes. 11 minutes interval.
Yeah, because wala I don't know how they play their ball. Ne me promile ball for me ni mata pomo game wa aleo gake low for previous game you name pokwa if me promile ball for me more careful LOG do 3-0 or something yours for 5 seconds so 3 minutes you think you
Yeah.
no. Forget. Let our watch matter. Yeah. Let those people that country la no the ball for man. Nelogy do la don't think the referee be PPP. Before you can say oh nyata fema duji. Kake neme dinenyo oh forget cry.
Never nyasala ke yakotola Beniba sport sorry Beniba TV Beniba sport so no yele bodo nanya be gbadasi adefa ka na ko gare mi go na mi ase mi gbadasi adefa
Okay, gbadasi evanya ebe mama okay, bless Fiaga. I think it is good. He realized that, but I also think it all be good if we support their next match because lesson will learn. Okay. I mean the South Africa captain. South Africa learn ye bube eyo wakpo mistakes so eyo anyo be na mia support o le wo next match yo wa afome egbebe South Africa yo akpena bless Fiaga akpena eye Christian Adiabo ya be congratulations to you guys akwa
mi photo yi ti o support mi akaka link ma link mi no kama na o ko na do na ma ka
oyo kan mon popo akpona le mon popo eta nyabaduna me banto ina mi afonu pola wa ameseme ke ko mo ko dada Evanigba TV nyabaduna me ina nyafa director Christian Adiabo ya nyafa director waga ina nyafa colleagues yozi kala apoji ha akpona wo wele nyapu
okay
yeah
nyabanya sala ka me ka akpena Jose, yeah, where would go along with the actual for but there are no woman, Pola, Omanomia, Nimata, Mansa Mokoya, I got that Facebook, TikTok ye mia adu ye fa asiba alo nusia no keke o mala ko ya do ne ya ke mia ni le ho na ya ba eva university me kwa o bi ye ta ni battery o le mia por de ke akova nya ko no ko ke ado primi ala be do ki be fifia na ya be drama lo alo so fia la akona wa na ya be do bla ko be amegede onye emike wa akọ ike ọba ado ajọpụlo ebe sale ke na le mia koma o wona ya primi mia ado blo ko nudragba atikeli o musale ko mo le ko wona primi mia ado blo no ka ma za mo ko ya ado gbana nyo hono de sia de ke na le tuji ayo kata le adakrumoji focus Bra Evans ni ma te wa fo mi o kata this Bridget Ethel no do ko mi kata my lovely mother believe that you play nothing Cynthia Soda. You might have from your kata, my brother Omar, and then for Richmond. Everybody, all my colleagues, all my friends, those who are supporting me, those who encourage me, but they are calling your kata, me. You know, TV, Bob. Ke fidagbe wale ya mi agaba no SCG ike awada ko nyemelo foka ya foka nyemelo oblo and Lexus no mo kata mi oblo ma o ne yira mi nke ka ne je jinami bye.